and slow.
All right. I can't hear you. You got to yell once we're rolling. Hang on. Davey's saying stop. What's up? What you need? Oh, your pads?
Yeah,
Once you start going, bro, it's going to move around anyway. Just learn to ignore it, pretty much. You can tighten it up if you want, but it's going to move again.
You gotta stop. You just gotta yell.
Yeah, you got to yell loud, though, because it's hard to hear you. To the left. Watch, follow your dad, okay? Left, 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 left. There you go. See, it says green, easier way. We're going to start there. Got to stand up. Stand up's going to prepare you for whatever's happening. Nice and slow, bud. You can just roll it. If you want to jump it, you can. Okay, slow down right here. Whoop. Remember when you're going over, Jake, to kind of drop your butt backwards, okay? Okay. Yeah, you're still learning. It's okay, bud. Don't worry. Nice. To the left, Dave. That's a three banger. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, follow your brother, follow your dad, follow your dad. Nice, dude. Nice air, Jake. Nice air, dude. Dude, you're not scared to get in the air. That's awesome. Whoop, it's okay. Hey, Jake, pull over when you got a chance. There's someone behind us, okay? Dave, pull over. Yep. All right, go ahead. Yep. This part you have to pedal. This is the worst part because you have to pedal. Stand up. There you go. That helps your body absorb it all. You're doing good, bro. I can't believe you're not scared of the air. I thought you were gonna balk at it. You just went for it. Take a breather, Dave. Pull over right here so we can take a break. Oh, never mind. We're gonna keep going. Oh, take back brake. Let's go. All right, nice control, nice control. That's a fast part. You see how fast it gets out of control? When the gravel's loose, it's a little harder. So it's harder to stop. You have to be aware. That's like the only time I wreck is on the loose stuff. Yep. That's okay. You're quick to recognize when you're out of control though, so that's good. Whew. Oh, you okay? Dave, stop! We're just braking. You feel it in your hands now, right? That's why you got the gloves. Make sure whenever you stop, make sure to stay off the trail, okay? You're doing good now, but you just have to make sure.
I'm going good.
Your pretty first time, dude?
For a first time ever?
Yeah.
I'm doing good.
What do you think? You like it? Yeah. All right, watch your back, watch your back, watch your back, watch your back. Oh. Badass mullet.
Yeah.
All right, we're good. All right, let's go. All right, anytime. That's the loose gravel. You have to start when tire's spinning. You have to switch to the front a little bit.
That loose gravel will get you.
This is where I wrecked too. I wrecked here one time actually, pretty bad.
Your hands start to hurt real quick.
Dude, I start to see him. We're going towards the 3 thing. I'm like, he's gonna jam on his brakes. He hits him. He's not clearing them, but he hits them and he gets the air.
Dude, my legs are shaking. I am so out of practice. Like, I'm gonna have to do like 4 or 5 runs before I even start to get.
Yeah, you'll be tired by then. It's all right. First day back.
My legs are shaking.
Yeah, mine too.
Alright, you ready?
All right, that's okay. That's normal. Go ahead. Okay. Remember, when you lock up, when that tire starts to lock up, try to loosen up off of it and switch to the front. But not too hard on the front. You got to keep it loose. But you felt it already. When your back tire starts to skid, you got no control. Nice, dude. Nice jump. In this part, you try to keep it straight. Woo! Woohoo! Remember, yep, ease up, there you go. Now you feel it. This is a good place to practice switching to your front when you have to. Anytime it gets real, you always drop your ass over the back. All right, now brake, and then you hit it. There you go. Brake, 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 brake. All right, all right, all right, all right. Oh, you rode it out, dude. Dave! You're good. Stand up. Make sure you get off the trail. The very first thing you do, if you can, is you get up and get off the trail. Come on, gotta get up. That's okay. Are you okay? Yeah. All right. I take it. No, dude, it's first time. It happens. All right, but make sure to stay off the trail, right? So see how we're both on the trail? You wreck you don't know who's behind you. The very first thing you do every time is get off the trail if you can. There it is. If you were laying in the middle, the guy could have hit you, you know? Guy hitting the balls? Yeah. We'll dust you off. You okay though?
Handlebars.
How dope is this though? All right. Next time when you come down, just hit it a little slower till you get the hang of it, you know?
I tried to. It's hard.
Yeah. Gotta try not to, you know, in the beginning it's real hard to figure out how to slow down, so.
But it's hard. It's fun too.
It's fun, but it's hard. It takes a bit. We're good. We're fine.
I fell off the bike.
All right, you ready?
Come to you.
You rode it out for a while, though. You didn't want to give up. Oh, look, your dad had to run all the way up the hill. He was so worried. Slow down, practice, practice. There you go. He tried to ride it out as long as he could. He's in the reeds and he's trying to pull it back and he couldn't. I'm sorry you had to run up that way. I didn't.
No, that's cool. I
literally
Yeah, I know.
my balls into
Yeah, he got the handlebar in the nuts too. But he's dealing with it well, so we got that so far. All right. When you start skidding on the back, you ease into your front a little. That's all, and that will give you that control you're looking for. All right. See, it's hard, dude. Once that tire starts skidding, you're basically dead to rights.
Jake's first run, baby.
All right, what do you think, dog? What?
sick.
I can't hear you.
It's sick.
Nice.